for this stitch pattern, we need a foundation chain of multiples of 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So once you have your foundation chain in multiples of 5, add 4 at the end. 1, 2, 3, and 4. For our first row, we're going to skip 3 chains. 1, 2, 3, and on the 4th chain, we're going to make 1 double crochet. Chain 3, and we're going to skip 3 chains, and on the next 2 chains we're going to make 1 double crochet. So this will be the pattern for our first row. Chain 3, skip the next 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3, and on the next chain make 1 double crochet. On the next chain make 1 double crochet. So we're going to repeat until we reach the last chain. So this will be our first row. You see we have here the small square box figure. So for our second row, we're going to chain up 3, and this will be counted as our first double crochet. Turn your work. We're going to skip the next double crochet and the next chain 1, and on the next single crochet we're going to make 5 double crochets. So this is the second of the chain 3 that we made. The middle or the second chain out of the chain 3 that we made. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, we're going to skip these 2 double crochets and the next chain, and on the middle again we're going to make the 5 double crochet on the chain. And not on the space. So this will be the pattern for our second row. So now we have reached the end part, and we have here the 2 double crochets. This is the turning chain and this is the first double crochet. So we're going to skip the next chain here and the double crochet, and on the turning chain we're going to make 1 double crochet. On the third row, we're going to chain up 3 again. Our chain 3 will be counted as our first double crochet. We're going to make 1 double crochet on the next chain. Chain 3. Skipping 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3, and on the next or the last double crochet, make 1 double crochet on top of it. And on the first double crochet of the second group, we're going to make 1 double crochet as well. Chain 3, skip 1, 2, and 3, and on the last double crochet on top of it, make 1 double crochet. And on the first double crochet of the next group, make 1 double crochet. So we're going to repeat, chain 3 again, and skipping 3. So this is the repeat of our first row. For the last part, I made a chain of 3. So we're going to skip 1, 2, 3, and on top of the last double crochet, make 1 double crochet. And on our turning chain, we're going to make 1 double crochet. So after you made the third row, we're going to repeat again the second row. Chain 3 and turn your work. We're going to skip, and on the middle single crochet, we're going to make 5 double crochets. Can skip these 2 double crochets and the next chain, and on the middle single crochet we're going to make 5 double crochets.